Finally, we'll work with the last method, system of equations. That's the graphical method. So basically, we just need to draw graphs. So let's say if you were trying to solve this equation and this equation, you just need to plot the graphs. Remember, in your calculator, you've got to ensure that y is equal to is your subject, or your expression is expressed that way. So learning how to express one variable in terms of another variable is crucial, because that will help you to plug in your graphs. So the graphs be right here. And you'll notice that the solution is the point of intersection, -2 and -3.